Hola gente, what's up guys? Welcome to another skip or splurge. Today we're going to be testing out this 179 US dollar gift set. This is the Nume Power Couple. How cool and organized is it that it comes in this very convenient hard case?
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
I have never tried any of their products before, only a hair care mask, which I will link the video right here. It seems like neoprene. Here it says Nume, and this is quite a large thing, but still travel friendly if you want to just throw it in your suitcase. Ooh, this is nice. So when I read Power Couple in the name of the product, I actually assumed it would be just two products, the straightener and the curling iron, but you're actually getting quite a few more accessories that really make a difference, and the case, of course. This reminds me of a makeup bag. Actually, you have like placeholders for each item inside so that it doesn't, you know, move around. I feel for professionals, this is perfect to stay organized, but also for anyone who travels and really appreciates to stay organized. And even if you have like a drawer in your vanity, this can fit in. It would have to be a big drawer, or you could put it like this inside, and then when you open your drawer, you can access all your tools. The color of the case and each of the items inside is just adorable. I believe it also comes in black and fuchsia, but turquoise is one of my favorite colors. So you get some gloves, which I guess I'm gonna put on right now because we're gonna be testing this out. Sorry, one glove. Feels like a golf glove. Then you have the mat, which is the first time I've ever owned one of these. So this is a hot mat. It is made of silicone and it is heat resistant so that you don't burn any surfaces where you place your curling wand. And it has the logo many times, and then it says confidence is beautiful, which is very nice to have some inspirational quote as you are getting ready, right? And then we have this curling wand. How beautiful is this? It has kind of a lock that's open and then a lock that is locked. So when you insert this, it is very important that you lock it so that when you use it like this, it's not going to detach and possibly burn your legs or wherever this falls. And lastly, we have the straightener. How gorgeous is this? Oh my god, that metallic turquoise color, look at that shine. It's gorgeous, isn't it? And then to be used with the flat iron comes this very clever styling comb. This looks genius. I've never tested one of these out, but the concept of it just seems very clever and even better than using a regular brush or a comb to do it. So we're gonna use these two in just a little bit. I'm gonna start with my curling wand and we're gonna do some very loose curls to see how this works and if I like it. So there's just one single button on and off. You just cannot get that wrong. And I'm going to see how long it takes to heat up. I'm gonna place it here on the hot mat. So I'm gonna be using the curler with my right hand to start with. So the hand that usually can get burnt is this one. I always wanted to get one of these gloves, and Thermic gloves are not cheap at all. So I'm so glad that I got it inside this gift set. It's just so complete. I really hope that the quality is there as well. So you're gonna see me looking that way because that's where I have my mirror. I'm gonna start doing some very, very loose natural curls from my chin downwards, and I'm also going to be picking some big chunks up here to do that, and we'll see how this works. I'm not even gonna leave it a lot there because I really want these to be very loose and natural curls. And there you go. Wow, that's really nice. Took like seconds. And my hair is like previously blow dried from yesterday, so damaged my hair week. No, really. What I'm trying to say is that it was like straightened by the blow dryer first, so this is actually a great result. I'm gonna do the same with my bangs here. And I want these to be super loose. And wow. Wow, that's beautiful. And just hold it there for a little bit, not too long because this works fast. The hair glides through super easily, and the reason for that is that this wand is ceramic and it is coated in tourmaline, and it just makes it super slippery. These ones are definitely the way to go. The other one that I have that has a wider barrel, that's by another brand that's called Gamma, is also coated in tourmaline, so I know firsthand the quality of tourmaline and that it really lasts forever. So I do expect this one to last forever as well. Now, the size of the barrel is perfect, I feel. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but before I turned my camera on, I applied the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. This is a heat protectant as well, and I fully trust Olaplex products, as you guys know. And now I'm going to apply even a little bit more, just because it's gonna add a little bit more definition and shine to my curls. And I also like that kind of undone look. The side backwards so that you guys can appreciate. Ooh, Nume, you know what you're doing. Every single detail that they're supplying really adds up. Let's go ahead and straighten this side. I can't stop staring at this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and I forgot to mention that both tools have this salon style swivel cord. Also, they're super ergonomic and they fit in my hands so comfortably. All right, so let's just take my beautiful curls to the back so that you guys don't get distracted. So granted, this is probably not the best way to test out this straightener. I may do a follow-up video if you guys are interested on my very wavy, frizzy, natural hair so that you guys can see the full power of the straightener, but it's still not super sleek. You will be able to tell a difference if it works. Again, very straightforward on-off, and it also has a tourmaline coat and infrared technology. Oh, and there's heat control from 450 Fahrenheit to 140. For instance, today, since this is not super crazy wavy hair, I can probably get away with a much lower temperature, and that way I am preserving a little bit more my hair's health. And I can also see myself curling my hair with this straightener because it has a very nice shape and the plates are not ginormous. They're kind of, and also it is rounded right here, so that would make it very easy to give you that nice straightener waves that I also really like going for. Oh, I can think of so many tutorials to use this tools for. So I guess I'm gonna go not with 140 Fahrenheit, maybe that's too low. I'm gonna try with kind of an intermediate temperature. It's already hot. I'm going to apply 2 or 3 drops of Olaplex No. 7. I'm gonna use my beloved Tangle Teaser very quickly. And this may not even be that necessary because we have this amazing styling comb that I showed you guys at the beginning, and it is heat resistant, which is key unless you want your comb to melt. I also like the fact that you're kind of clamping your hair and combing through. And of course, for this I'm gonna use this Sephora Hold It Together crocodile style clip. The idea is that you don't apply any heat into any tangles or knots. It doesn't need to be this one. I've been doing it with regular combs and brushes at home for many years. So if you cannot afford this, don't worry, but the fact that you use one is great for your hair. So let's do this. Oh yeah, this definitely glides through, and it's kind of very intuitive to be clamping with both hands. You don't absolutely need this, but it's just more comfortable because you're doing the exact same thing with both hands, so you don't really need to think a lot. It's like super intuitive. This is like using chopsticks for Chinese food. It's really cool. You know why? Because you don't even need to touch your hair. So if it's hot, you grab it with this, and then you clamp, and then you comb. So easy. And also, all these tools are very lightweight. I really like that. I feel like my other straightener and my other curling wand by Gamma are kind of a lot heavier, and that can very easily get your arms very tired when you're styling your hair. you know, that noise, and it feels like it's pulling when you have metallic plates. That's terrible, and it's very, very damaging for your hair. And I've had those straighteners before, but this one, it's like amazing. And it's also very comfortable to, it's like everything fits perfectly in my hand. It kind of ends where my finger needs to grab it, and on this side it has the perfect width to have my thumb exactly there. And also this metallic thing is very, very soft, and this area does get hot on the outside, but on the area where you're supposed to hold it, it does not. It's completely safe. So, you know, all those details really add up, and it just gives you a very amazing experience. There's a lot of thought and detail in the design of this gift set. And this styling comb can even get like right in there at the back where my hair curls the most. This comb makes it so easy to reach this back area. This side allows you to pick up as much or as little hair as you want. Because it is curved on the outside, you can very easily style the ends without getting any weird dents. Let's do it here. Wow, that looks very pretty. And there you have it. This is the final result. One side against the other. This is the results for the straightener and the curling wand. Loose curls versus straight hair. And by the way, I'm curious to know which side do you guys like best on me. So to recap, you get a straightener, a curling iron, a styling comb, a thermic glove, a hot mat, and a hard case that's super organized with velcros inside. At least with this first use of all of these products inside the case, I cannot find one con. I even find it cheap in the end, because $179 for the quality of each and every one of these items. For me, I think it's a bargain. Santa could make someone very, very happy with this gift, and you can even gift it for yourself. Why not? I not only recommend, but this is going to be the first product I have reviewed here on my channel, hair care wise, that's gonna get 5 stars, and I was not very excited about their hair mask, to be honest. So that is that for today, guys. I hope this video helped you in some way to make the right purchase decision for you. As always, don't let anyone tell you what you need or what you must buy. You are the only and best judge of that, always. If you like my videos, the best way to help me out is subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and make a video request. Why not? And I will talk to you all again on my next one.